In this video, I will give you a detailed review of the proven supplement. Click the link in the description below to grab your bottle of the proven supplement. So, let's get started. In this video, I will cover the following topics. 1. What is proven supplement? 2. How proven pills work for weight loss. 3. What are the ingredients used in proven? 4. Is proven supplement safe to take? 5. How to take proven pills. 6. Where to buy proven pills and pricing. 1. What is proven supplement? All in all, proven is a helpful supplement for weight loss. It packs a powerful punch of antioxidants that work together to eliminate the toxins from your body and encourage weight loss. Hence, it not only offers weight loss support but it also promotes detoxification, making it a dual-action formula. The best part is that all the ingredients are natural, well studied in advance, and boast high quality. This means that the components are safe to take. The research that has gone into them also confirms the ingredients' efficacy and safe usage. This makes it crystal clear that the Debashree Dutta weight loss supplement isn't a scam. Instead, it comes from professionals who have taken the time to research the formula carefully to deliver a solution that is both effective and safe. Moreover, natural ingredients tend to suit most people, so there's that too. You wouldn't find it challenging to stick with taking this supplement daily as well. Wondering why? Because it is available in the form of capsules that are simple to make and don't take much of your time or effort. 2. How proven pills work for weight loss. Mainly, proven pills offer help with weight loss and detoxification. Other benefits of proven are 1. Better heart health. The antioxidants present in this solution help preserve your heart health and attempt to improve your heart condition. 2. Improved vitality and energy. The formula also assists in boosting your energy levels so that you feel refreshed and agile throughout the day. It also increases your vitality and helps combat fatigue. 3. Offers weight loss support. The supplement also helps you reach your weight loss goals while improving the quality of your overall health and wellness. 3. What are the ingredients used in proven? All ingredients in proven weight loss pills are natural and safe. They are sourced only from the best sources that showcase quality. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant playing an important role in offering a healthy hormonal response. 2. Garlic bulb. This is a widely applauded superfood that is mainly credited for improving your immune response. This means that the garlic bulb helps to strengthen the body's defense mechanism, which saves you from various infections and illnesses. 3. Green tea leaves. These contain a wide variety of antioxidants and nutrients that are essential for your heart and mind wellness. 4. Asian mushroom complex. This ingredient provides help with increasing the production and activity of white blood cells. Note that these cells work in the immune department, so their increased activity and production make you healthy and protects you from illnesses. 5. Panax ginseng. This ingredient helps with occasional stress metabolism support and better performance. It also improves your energy levels and is known for helping combat mental and physical fatigue. 6. Vitamin C and E. These two vitamins are chock full of antioxidants, which explains their role in this formula. 7. Selenium. This one is also a powerful antioxidant that helps improve your metabolic functioning and better immune response. 8. Bioflavonoids. These are a group of chemical sources from plants that have high antioxidant content and show lots of anti-inflammatory properties as well. This makes them helpful for getting rid of toxins from the body and strengthening the body's immune response. 4. Is proven supplement safe to take? We have already established that Debashree Dutta is safe due to its natural composition. This means that the formula does not contain any harmful or artificial ingredients that typically deliver side effects with their regular use. What's more, the formula's ingredients are well researched before their inclusion in this solution. If you're still not satisfied, know the supplement is made as per the GMP guidelines in the US. It is also sugar-free, non-GMO, antibiotic-free as well as gluten-free. It is made in an FDA-approved facility in the US, which further highlights the work and care that has gone into the preparation of this formula. 5. How to take proven pills. Note that the recommended dosage of Nutravesta Proven weight loss pills is 2 capsules daily. Take them with half a glass of water and you are all set. Firstly, the formula is available in the form of capsules. This means you wouldn't need to prepare special meals or smoothies or spend hours searching for the right quality rare herbs to consume. Instead, you only need to pop a pill into your mouth and that is all. Secondly, each bottle of the supplement contains 60 capsules, so it can easily last for a month. 6. Where to buy proven pills and pricing. Nutravesta Proven pills are available in 3 different deals on the official website of Get Proven. You can find the official link in the description below. You can pick the one that meets your budget and quantity requirements the best. You will get more discount if you order a bigger package. There is also a money-back guarantee in place. In conclusion, Nutravesta Proven is a viable weight loss formula that helps you melt fat naturally by flushing out toxins from your body. The formula is convenient to use, safe to take, and completely natural, which makes it a good pick. Click the link in the description below to grab your bottle of proven supplement now. Subscribe, share, and click the bell icon to get the notification when I upload a new video.